Guys, welcome to another episode of Muskoka Adventures. I'm your host Brian. I got some exciting news for you. I'm buying a boat. We're going on a little road trip to go pick up the boat, and you guys are going to come along with me. Coffee time. All right, we're here at Adventures Outfitters. This guy doesn't know that I'm a YouTuber, so I want to keep it on the down low. I'll show you the boat once I get it. There it is. There's my first canoe. Not just any canoe, it's a square stern canoe, and I'll show you when I get home. Oh, there's my boat. Came with the 2 oars and the safety kit. I specifically wanted a square stern canoe because you know what I'm going to put here, right? Anyway, can't wait to use this. I'll see you guys later.